Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we on mobile hotspot in our phone. Friends, you want to on guys your mobile hotspot in your phone, so how can you on it? Today I will show you, I will tell you. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we on mobile hotspot in our phone and how can we use it. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it, then click on guys your hotspot setting guys, tap here and click on guys your portable hotspot. So guys, tap here to on it, then guys your mobile hotspot will on and guys you can use your mobile hotspot setting. You can see guys your password and guys you can see guys your device name from here first of all, and you can use it. And once you can see guys the second option, QR code guys in your phone. So when you want to share guys your hotspot, so when you can share from here guys. And once you can see one time data limit guys, you can on and off from here. And guys you can set guys your like 100 MB to 1200, like that guys you can set guys your one time data limit setting guys, you can set from here guys. So like that guys, you can on guys your mobile hotspot setting and you can use in your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.